Real quick, I just wanted to say thank you, Olay, for gifting me this Olay Science Cell Repair. I'm very excited to use it. Hi, I'm Rochelle. Welcome to my channel. This is a gift from... Let's open it. Ooh. This is what it looks like. Look at this royal packaging, guys. Is there any instructions? This is the Olay Science Cell Repair Firming and Light Fading Peptides. It's an ultra-rich cream. Ooh, I love this box. This is pretty. The gold with the burgundy chrome. That's beautiful. So it says, this was developed by leading scientists in Asia. Olay Cell Repair Peptide Firming Ultra Rich Cream combines 70 years of research with advanced peptide technology to deeply hydrate, to strengthen surface cellular bonding over time, and to help repair visible signs of aging. Ooh, this packaging is so cute. It's like a little round vase and a big top. Love that. So let's see. It's a firming, line fading peptide. So let's see. I already washed my face. Let's see what the directions say. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Those are the directions. It says how to use. Apply an appropriate amount of the product evenly onto the face and neck in the morning and evening, and massage gently until it's absorbed. Please keep the product in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Does it have... It already has like a rich, fragrant smell. I have very sensitive skin, so I'm hoping this doesn't give me hives or breakout right before the 4th of July. Ooh, it is also rich and creamy. Look at that. It smells good. Very light. Okay. So, ooh, it's very thick. Can you see the consistency? Very thick. We're gonna put some on right there, right there. Ooh, okay. So putting it on in circular motions. It's very thick. It's hydrating. It has like an almost cooling effect. It's not as fragrant as I thought it was gonna be, but it feels very luxurious, rich, creamy. It also gives me that little glow. Look at that. Look at that glass little glow. It looks gorgeous. Wow. It's like my skin's reflecting. So, let's do a quick little review. I will say I'm not a huge fan of the smell, just because I do have very sensitive skin and I tend to break out easily in a hive. Right now it feels fine. Like it feels very like a cooling effect. It doesn't seem like it has retinol in it, which I don't see the ingredients yet, so but it feels nice. It doesn't it has like a little stick to it when it dries. But so far so good. I love it. I would totally recommend to a friend. Thanks. Bye. comparing this to other moisturizers I have used, a lot of the moisturizers I've used in the past are very water gel based, and they're very lightweight. The rich ones I've used recently have no fragrance, and they're very they help the skin barrier. Feels very soft, firm. My skin feels nice. Thanks, bye.